Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the LinkedIn Business Manager. So LinkedIn Business Manager is another tool created by LinkedIn primarily to help people when they want to manage multiple LinkedIn ads accounts. So let's imagine there is an agency which basically manages LinkedIn ads accounts for its clients. So in such a scenario, they can open a business manager like this. So a business manager is like a umbrella account or a dashboard account which can contain or handle multiple LinkedIn ads accounts under it. So now all you have to do is you can just log into your business manager account and you will find all your LinkedIn ads accounts in one place. And you can access them, you can manage them, you can run campaigns in them in one go. You would not have to go into each and every account individually, log into them. Rather than that, just one single business manager account can do that job for us. So let's have a look at the website. So this is the website where people have to come and they can sign up over here for a business manager. Once you have the business manager created, then you can just link these LinkedIn ads accounts, pages, matched audiences to the single dashboard. And once it is done, they will show up in the dashboard itself and you can access all of them very easily. You can also give access of this particular business manager to other members of your team. So all of that will be possible. So this really solves a lot of issues in terms of handling multiple accounts, organizes the whole work in a much better manner. So this is something which is very prevalent in ad agencies, in big companies who are have multiple LinkedIn ads accounts. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the basic concept behind business manager, LinkedIn ads business manager, which you can use over here. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.